Let's walk to the corner and back before dinner. Sure. I want to stretch my legs anyway. Great, let's go before it gets dark. Look at that garden up ahead. Oh, I love that one. It's always so pretty. I never get tired of looking at it. Whoever takes care of this really loves flowers. Yeah, everything looks so neat. Not a single weed anywhere. I wish our yard looked like this. Maybe I'll draw it and show Mom. Maybe someday ours will look half as good. I want to see the purple ones up close. Just don't touch anything, Tom. I won't. I just want to look. The colors are even prettier this close. It's like a little rainbow made of flowers. I wonder how long it took to grow all this. Is someone there? I don't know. Let's be careful. Maybe we should step back a little. Someone's coming. Stay calm. We didn't do anything wrong. Right. Just stay calm.
Can I help you too? You're standing very close to my fence. This is private property, you know.
We were just looking at your beautiful garden.
This isn't a place to stand and stare.
We're sorry, we didn't mean to bother you.
Stay away from this garden. No noise, no walking on the path.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
I mean it. Every single day.
Let's go, Maya. Now. Okay, I'm coming. Don't look back, just walk. That was scary. He didn't even let us explain. My heart is still pounding. He must hate kids. That's the only reason to be that mean. Yeah. He looked at us like we were trouble.
Every time we walk by, he looks at us like that.
He's definitely the strictest person on this street. I still think his garden is the prettiest one around here.
Too bad the owner isn't as nice as the flowers.
Not bad for a quick sketch. I'll show Mom at dinner. She's gonna love the colors.
You two look like something happened. Everything okay?
Kind of. We'll tell you at dinner.
All right, I'll hold you to that. So, what happened on your walk today?
We met the neighbor with the garden.
Oh? How did that go?
He yelled at us just for standing near his garden.
He didn't even let us say sorry properly.
That does sound scary. Did he say why?
No, he just told us to stay away.
That's strange. There must be a reason. You know, sometimes people who seem difficult are carrying something we can't see.
He didn't seem like he was carrying anything. He just seemed mean. What do you mean, Dad? Like a secret?
Maybe. Or maybe just a story we don't know yet.
I like stories. Maybe we'll find out one day. Maybe. But he's still scary.
That's fair. Some mysteries take time to solve. Give it time, buddy.
Look, Mom. I drew the flowers from his garden.
This is lovely, Maya. You have a good eye.
Thanks. I tried to get the colors just right.
Whoever grows a garden like that must care about it very deeply.
I guess so. I just wish he was nicer about it.
Well, at least the weather isn't as grumpy as the neighbor.
Dad jokes. Always right on time.
Long day. I'm ready for bed. Me too. But I keep thinking about that garden. Try not to worry about it tonight. I wonder why he's so protective of it. Maybe Dad's right. Maybe there's more to it. I guess we'll find out eventually. Perfect morning for some practice. Maya, come play with me. Hurry up, the ball's getting impatient. Okay, I'm here. Let's play. Try to stop this one. Bring it on, I'm ready. Got it. That was a good block.
Beginner's luck.
We'll see about that. Whoa, that was too hard. Tom, watch where it's going. I didn't mean to kick it that hard.
Oh, no, it went into his garden.
Oh no, not there.
Of all the places, it had to land there.
What do we do? He's gonna be furious. We have to get it back somehow. This is bad. This is really bad. Maybe we should just leave it. Buy a new one. That's not right, Tom. It's not ours to leave there. Come on, We just have to be quick and quiet. Fine. But if he yells again, we run. Deal. Now let's go.
I don't see him anywhere.
Good. Maybe he's not home.
Let's hope it stays that way. There it is, by the flower pots.
Okay, let's go get it fast.
Just a few steps and we're done. Careful, don't let it creak too loud. Nothing's moving inside. I think we're okay.
Good. Let's keep moving. Stay on the path. Don't step on any flowers. I'm trying. It's harder than it looks. Just watch your feet. We're almost there. Almost got it. Hurry, Tom. I have a bad feeling. Just one more step.
Got it. No damage, thank goodness. Now let's just go before... Wait, what was that?
Wait. Did you hear that? It's coming from inside. Tom, come listen to this.
That's not him. That sounds different.
It sounds like someone is sick.
We should find out who that is. We got the ball. Let's go before he comes back.
Wait, Tom. What if someone needs help?
But what if it's a trap?
If someone is in trouble, we can't just walk away.
But what if it's a trick? What if he gets mad? Are you sure you want to just leave, Tom?
I'm not. Not if someone needs us. Come on, be brave with me.
Okay, you're right. Let's check.
Together then.
Together, let's go.
Just knock. Let's see if anyone answers. Okay, here goes. I'm right beside you.
Hello? Is anyone there?
We heard someone. Are you okay?
Please, if you're there, answer us.
It's unlocked.
Maybe we should just look inside, just to check.
Okay, slowly.
What if he comes back and finds us in here?
We'll explain everything. Come on.
Okay, just a quick look.
It's so quiet in here.
Look, over there, by the window.
Someone's sitting there. She can't reach it.
I'll get it. Hold on.
Hurry, she needs it now. Ray, is this the right medicine?
Yes. Thank you, dear.
I'll open it for you.
Take your time. We're right here.
You two are very kind.
We're happy to help.
That's much better now. Are you feeling okay now?
Yes, much calmer.
Thank you both. I don't think I've seen you two before.
We live just down the street.
Ah, neighbors. How nice.
Our ball flew into the garden. We came to get it back.
Ah, that explains it. I wondered why you were here.
We're worried he'll be upset that we came inside.
Don't worry about that right now, dear. Just rest for a moment with me.
What are all these pictures? I want to see them better. They look really old. Tom, look at all these old pictures.
There's so many. This must be their whole life.
I wonder how far back they go.
That's him. Even younger, he looks serious.
He really has never smiled, has he?
Not even as a young man, it seems.
Tom, look at this one.
He's smiling. He's actually smiling.
I didn't think that was possible. I've never seen him look like that.
Me neither. Not even close.
It's like looking at a different person. Is this you and him in the garden?
Yes. A long time ago. Before all the gray hair. That garden outside isn't just a garden, you know.
What do you mean?
There's a story behind every flower out there. He grows every flower out there just for me.
Why just for you?
Let me explain, dear. I've been sick for a while now. I can't go outside much anymore. So he brings the outside in for me, through that window. Loud noises tire me out quickly. That's why he keeps things quiet.
That's why he told us to be quiet near the garden.
We thought he just hated kids. But he was just trying to protect you. We got it all wrong.
Not everything is what it looks like, dear. Not everything is what it looks like. You'll remember that, I hope.
Why lavender? Is there a reason?
It reminds me of my childhood garden long ago.
That sounds like a lovely memory.
My mother grew lavender too. The smell always brings me comfort.
That's really beautiful.
Some things stay with us forever.
Maybe we could help take care of the garden sometime.
That would mean a great deal to him, I think.
Almost home. Time to check on her. Wonder how she's doing today. I hope she rested well. What happened here? These were fine yesterday. Something's not right.
The door is open. Someone's been inside. I need to check on her right now. Please let her be all right.
What are you two doing in my house? Explain yourselves.
Now,
Well, I'm waiting.
Our ball went into your garden. We came to get it.
And that gave you permission to enter my home?
We heard her coughing. We were scared something was wrong. So we came in to check if she was okay.
Are you all right? Did something happen?
I'm fine now, dear. Thanks to them.
Thank goodness. I was worried.
I couldn't reach my medicine. They heard me and came to help. They were very brave, coming in like that.
They helped her when I wasn't here. And I yelled at them yesterday. I judged them before I knew anything. I owe you both an apology. I was too quick to judge. That was wrong of me. I hope you can forgive an old man. We're sorry too. We stepped on some of your flowers by accident.
we didn't mean to. We were just trying to get the ball.
Flowers can grow back. What you did for her, I won't forget. That means more to me than any garden.
You're smiling.
It happens, occasionally. Don't get used to it.
Is that why you keep the garden so perfect? For her?
Every flower, every single day. It's the least I can do.
He's always been like this, even when he seems stern.
Only because I care so much.
I've always known that, dear.
We'd like to help you take care of the garden sometime.
If that's okay with you,
We'd really like to learn.
I think. I would like that very much. The garden could use young hands. It's been just me for a while now. Saturday mornings. That's when the garden needs the most care.
We'll be there. We won't be late, we promise.
This ball has a slow leak. Let me fix that for you.
You know how to fix balls, too?
A little bit of everything over the years. Next time, play a little further from the street.
I will. I promise.
Good. That's all I ask.
Take this small one home for your own little garden.
Really? Thank you so much.
It will grow beautifully, just like you.
Now I really do have a piece of that garden. I'll take good care of it. Just like Mrs. Hale takes care of hers.
Mind the path on your way out, you two.
We'll be extra careful this time.
I trust you both now.
It looks even prettier now that we know the story.
Everything does, I think.
Knowing the story changes everything.
I can't believe we were so wrong about him.
Yeah, he was never really scary at all.
He was just protecting someone he loves.
Dad was right. There was more to the story. I'm glad Maya didn't let me run away. I need to thank her for that.
It's gonna look perfect right here.
It really will.
Every time I water it, I'll think of today.
Where did this lovely little plant come from?
It's a long story, Mom. A really good one.
I can't wait to hear it.
And then we saw the photo, Herod. He was smiling in it.
He grows the whole garden just for his wife. So,
Maybe there was a story we didn't know after all?
okay. You were right, Dad.
I usually am, you know.
You two did something very brave and very kind today.
We almost didn't. Tom wanted to run.
But you didn't. That's what matters. I really did want to run. But Maya didn't let me. Good thing she's braver than me sometimes.
Good thing your little sister is braver than you.
This time, maybe. Just this once.
I'll remind you of that forever.
I think this calls for a new family tradition, helping the neighbors.
I'd like that very much.
You're both getting quite good at this.
We had a good teacher.
You're both fast learners.
The garden has never looked happier. Neither has he, come to think of it. It's wonderful to see him smile so much.
We're taking good care of your flowers.
I can see that, dear. Thank you. They've never looked better.
I'm really glad we didn't just run away that day.
So am I. So is she.
It changed everything for the better. I used to think you were just a scary, mean old man.
And now?
Now I know not everything is what it looks like.
This garden has room for more than just flowers now.
It has room for friends, too.
I'm glad you both feel that way.
It's funny how wrong we were about him.
Good thing we didn't judge him by that first day.
I won't do that again, not to anyone.